Hi everyone, welcome to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. This is a collaboration hosted by Crafty Girl Chronicles, who is over in the UK. Hello Jazzy from Crafty Girl Chronicles. And I've been participating for a good bit of this year. So we're coming down to the wire. We are in December. Can you believe it? So I did sit here on this fine Sunday and I planned out my December, which is all in pencil, which is what I do. I don't decorate the month. I use it to figure out what the heck do I have to do and what am I doing, and it's December's always busy anyway, and I have scheduled myself for more than I should have. But it is what it is, and I'll get through it. And then January, you might not see me as much, I don't think. I'm still working on 2025 and what my plans are really going to be relative to YouTube and both of my channels, not just this one, because I really have been neglecting my other channel. Okay, so I thought about what do I want to do? Well, I wasn't really ready for Christmas yet. In fact, I just went through some stuff that's been on my floor, would you believe, since last Christmas season. I left it here because it is like papers and things I really want to use up. Forget about even going into my rest of my stash. So I found, oops, and I just dropped part of it. I had bought, I think last year, maybe, I'm not sure, Simple Stories Winter Wonder, two papers, plus the 6x8 paper pad, which is double-sided. And I don't think I used one. I think I was going to pull one out and use it and didn't. But I did use this sticker book. So this was my starting point. And then it's Winter Wonder. It's not winter yet, but let me tell you, here in southeastern Pennsylvania, the last few days and since Thanksgiving, actually since the rain stopped on Thanksgiving and all the way through, as far as I can see, next Sunday, um, it is not going to get above the mid to maybe high 30s Fahrenheit, and every night is going down below freezing into the 20s Fahrenheit, like low to mid 20s Fahrenheit every day. Every day. That's what's in the forecast. Whether it stays that way, I don't know. But so I made this all about bundling up. And I tried not to put winter or snow or whether I did put chill out here. But all these stickers are out of that booklet. Um, and the colors you can see are like green, pale blue, orange. So I just pulled out these skinny washies, and I didn't cover up this blue and white stripe because it was perfect for this. So I used this blue on the top. This is a strip out of that sticker. This burr is as well. This is a little piece left over from this. And then here's the pink I used here, and the green, and the orange at the very bottom. So those are the skinny washies I used, and I pulled out my Paper Mate flares in the pink, the blue, the green, and the black. And I tried most days except Saturday and Sunday. I made the schedule all in black, and then the other ones, except I messed up here, um, I did in blue, pink, and green, except this one I just wrote it all in blue, and I didn't want to change to just all that. And this ended up all in blue because there's only one. So I just continued in the other colors for Friday. So today, when you see this, it will be item number 2 on here, Plan Fun Get Things Done, previously recorded because I am recording this on Sunday. Yay me. Mandala Mondays is already pre-recorded, and hopefully by the time you're seeing this video, these will also be pre-recorded. I started the project for Coloring Party with Friends, hosted by Jamie's Life, and um, crafting with Pat and Boy, you know, Pat. uh, I have it, and when I go through my coloring plans, I'll get that right. Sorry. And color and create with us, you rock art, who is Rosemary, her collab. Hopefully, I have to go watch her video again because I'm at the point of this recording. I can't remember which picture we're doing for that. Um, going forward, I'm gonna try and do it in December, all of these every week. But going forward, I'm gonna have to cut back. There's no way I can do all these things every week, um, and do the other stuff I want to do. Okay, so Monday, those have to be pre-recorded because I have errands to run Monday. I have to go to the post office because I'm getting packages and mail, happy mail cards and things I promised to people and a prize and other stuff out to the post office. So I have to take them there. I have to go to Home Depot because my son and I need to put a shelf back up that we had taken down for painting the kitchen and we never put it back up. It's like a coat rack shelf and now we need our coats, and so we're laying them all over the dining room chairs, and I just decided I wasn't going to put the coat rack up because it's kind of makes the kitchen area look messier, but you know what? We're going to put the coat rack up, and it has a shelf on the top so I can put pretty baskets up there or something to hold our gloves and stuff like that. I have to go to Target to pick up a package. I have to go to Hallmark. Uh, there's two things one of my granddaughters wanted, and my daughter said she saw them at Hallmark. They're probably all gone by the time I'm going because of Black Friday and all that, but there was no way I was going. Anyway, and then I have to go to the supermarket giant. Not for a ton of groceries, but for some things we're running out of that my son will need for work, and I hope to be home by the time he gets up and has to make his lunch and stuff. Callie's new medicine should be arriving on Monday, so I need to get that in her, which is, it goes in the ear, but it's for her thyroid because she was not doing well on the liquid medicine, and forget pills. There's no way. And we already decided we're having bacon, lettuce, cheese, and tomato sandwiches for dinner that night, but I will have more lettuce and tomato and a little bit of bacon and a little bit of cheese. I might not have the bread. I might have an open face one, I guess is what I'm saying. Okay. Um, Tuesday is Martha Makes Art Live. Well, she's starting on Monday, 2 p.m. Eastern, every day this week, and there's a different guest. I shared on my community tab a link to her video announcing it, so if you haven't seen that, please go click on that and go over to Martha's channel and see who all is participating. I'm pretty sure Monday is Crafting with Jovi, and she's a really talented crafter and does some mixed media and all kinds of stuff. So go check that out. So that'll be 2 p.m. I didn't put it on my calendar, even though I'll probably try to watch some of the other days or craft along, not on video. But Tuesday, I will be live unless something happens that my system doesn't let me, which we're going to test a little bit early before then. I couldn't test it before that. Anyway, um, so I'll be on with, I believe it's Annie Creates something, and Martha, three of us that day, hopefully. So in the morning, I have to prepare, get stuff ready. I have ideas. I have a list of things I want to do on the live stream craft. So I need to pull everything together and have it ready so I'm not like trying to get up all the time and fumble around the room to find stuff. I am expecting a FedEx delivery and maybe an Amazon delivery that day. I can't remember exactly. And I want to prepare something easy for dinner. Yeah, I don't know. Wednesday, whatever I make in that live, I'll do a video for those of you who aren't able to spend time on the live and watch me, or you can't see good or whatever. I'll at least come over and do a video or two of any finished projects that I have. So we'll see how that goes. It depends on if I get anything done. We will see. I have to either order or go out and get my son's birthday present. He turns, I won't say, but he has a birthday December 19th, so I need to, nip that in the bud and get it done. A birthday and Christmas presents. Or present. He really hasn't given me too many ideas on that. And I need to get or make a card. I might just get him one because I don't know. I haven't been in card making mode a whole lot lately. A little bit, not a whole lot. I need to do a video for any projects. I already talked about that. I would like to color 1 or 2 pages. I don't know if it'll be for Monday's stuff or for something else. I'll do a separate video on, well, you might have already seen it by now if, by the time you're seeing this video, on my December coloring plans. And I would like to cook a good meal on Wednesday. I don't know what yet because I haven't, as of this recording, I haven't done the meal plan for this week other than Monday. But I need to cook a decent meal and a big enough meal that we have leftovers for Thursday. Thursday, I have to make the deck of the year for weeks 49 and 50, if not made in Martha's Live. I'm not sure if I'm going to do those in Martha's Live or not. We'll see. And then I need to get the video up for at least week 49. We're getting down to the wire here on this deck of the year, right? So, and then I'm going to a movie theater on Thursday night to watch a documentary that I want to see. And Friday, um, I want to make a Christmas card or 2 for specific people in my family, actually, this time. And I need to make projects for embellishment on the 11th and record and schedule the video for the 11th because that's early mid next week. Yeah, it's next Wednesday. Wednesday, a week from the time this is going up. And I would like to cook a decent and healthy meal that day as well because we're eating leftovers this day. Saturday, clean the living room and dining room and decorate those 2 rooms for Christmas. We already put our outside wreath up and part of our nativity scene, but the ground is so frozen, we can't put the little lambs in stuff in the ground to go with it. It's a wooden one because they're on stakes and they will not go in the ground and we're afraid we're going to break them. So the nativity itself is there, but parts of it are not. I have a big pile of, I hate filing now, and I'm still a paper person. So when I pay bills and I have my receipts or whatever, I have files for them, but I just have been stacking them up. So I need to do that, and I might have to do that before I do this. And this might end up waiting till my son gets up anyway around noon because I have to run the vacuum. I can dust before he gets up, but I can't vacuum and stuff. Anyway. And I have an Amazon delivery expected, which is Christmas things, not for me, for other people. Hopefully it might come before that, but that's the estimated date. Okay, and then Sunday, I want to color 1 or 2 more pages for Monday videos, do edit and upload videos, do my planner and do the video, and meal plan for the next week, and chill out the rest of the day. I will write my gratitude in later. Hopefully it'll say something like, I'm grateful that my furnace continued to work through this very cold week. I don't know. There's nothing wrong with my furnace that I know of, but it's fairly new. I had it and a new oil tank. I have oil heat put in 2019. Yeah, notes, I don't have anything. The quote here is, "This is how you get unstuck. You reach," by Cheryl Strayed. Strayed, Strayed. I don't know who that is. This is how you get unstuck. You reach. So if you're stuck in your crafting, reach for your supplies and just do something, right? I'm sure it means more than that philosophically, but hey, we're crafters. I don't have the top 3 in. Basically, do all the things, because if not, I will get very behind and won't be able to accomplish December. Um, oh, I don't know. I need to start organizing, but that can't be this week. Anyway, that is my planner for the week of December 2nd through December 8th. And this will fly by, and I'll see you again soon. Happy cold December, unless you're warm where you are. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.